This thoughtfully assembled Boon Nursh baby bottle set centers on soft silicone pouches that collapse as your baby drinks, which can noticeably ease gas, spit up, and general colic discomfort. Because the design avoids complicated vents and valves, the bottles are straightforward to take apart and wash, making middle-of-the-night cleaning feel much less overwhelming. The mix of smaller and larger bottle sizes, along with different nipple flows, means the set adapts well from the newborn stage through more robust feeding sessions. Included storage lids turn the bottles into secure containers for breast milk, formula, or homemade purees. And the storage buns help keep spare pouches and nipples clean when you are out of the house. A clever straw lid lets older babies and toddlers keep using the same familiar bottle shape while transitioning to a spill-resistant straw-style cup. The bundled Mod brush kit, with multiple brush sizes and firm bristles, does a thorough job, reaching into bottles, straws, and pump parts, so the whole system stays hygienic over time.